lawyers led by Attorney Stylito Torion and members of the Davao City Council filed a petition before the Supreme Court asking for a temporary restraining order to stop the impeachment process against Vice President Sara Duterte. They claim the complaint was filed in violation of constitutional rules and must be declared void. The petition points to several alleged irregularities. First, the House of Representatives fast-tracked the complaint on February 5 with 215 lawmakers signing it in one day, some without even reading it. Second, petitioners say the first three impeachment complaints were ignored on purpose to get around the one-year bar rule in the Constitution, and that VP Sara was not given a chance to respond before the complaint was transmitted to the Senate. The petitioners add, while impeachment is a political process, the Supreme Court can step in if there's a grave abuse of discretion. The petition cites past cases where the High Court reviewed impeachment proceedings due to procedural violations. They also question House Rule 4, Section 14. They claim lowers the standard for impeachment by allowing lawmakers to sign the complaint without a proper verification. If the Supreme Court grants the TRO, the impeachment trial in the Senate will be put on hold until the court issues a final decision. But if rejected, senators can move forward with the proceedings. And while we waited for the official filing of the Mindanaoan lawyers earlier at the SC, this came in, no? Senate Minority Leader Coco Pimentel has formally asked Senate President Cheese Escudero to immediately start the impeachment trial against Vice President Sara Duterte. He cites Article 11, Section 3, Paragraph 4 of the 1987 Constitution, which states that once the House transmits the impeachment articles, the Senate must proceed forthwith. Pimentel argues that forthwith means immediate action without delay and pointing to the Constitution's official Filipino translation, which means agad. Mai?
Hannah, I think the petition also questions the House leadership's handling of the first three impeachment complaints. What exactly did the petitioners say about that?
Yes, Mai. According to the petition, the first three impeachment complaints filed last year were delayed on purpose and never referred to the Justice Committee. And the petitioners argue that this was a deliberate move to avoid triggering the one-year bar rule, which prevents multiple impeachment complaints within a year. They claim this delay allowed the House leadership to fast-track a fourth complaint in a single day, which they say violates due process. Mai?
Okay, so what's next for the Supreme Court? What will they do with the petition seeking to compel the Senate to start the impeachment trial?
The Supreme Court says they raffled the case yesterday, which means there's already a justice assigned to handle it. And according to the SC, it may be included in today's agenda along with other petitions. That means we are hoping to see the first action from the High Court today. Back to you, Mike.
Thank you. Hannah T. reporting to us live. Thanks for that update.